Your VW Golf key fob, including GTI and R models, uses a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. This standard battery type powers the remote functions like locking and unlocking your vehicle. CR2032 batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. You can find them in most stores that sell batteries or electronics. For longer battery life, consider rechargeable CR2032 options. These can last up to 10 years compared to 3 to 5 years for standard lithium batteries. However, it's important to avoid mixing different battery types in the same fob. Stick to either all standard CR2032 or all rechargeable to prevent signal interference or malfunction. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob. Tweezers can help with precise battery placement. Electrical tape is optional for securing the fob after reassembly. These tools are affordable and readily accessible. Carefully insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam of the key fob. Gently pry it open. The fob is typically snapped or glued together, so apply steady pressure. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, locate the CR2032 battery inside. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive side should be facing up. Gently pop the old battery out using your finger or a tool. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure correct polarity to avoid damage. Always ensure correct polarity, positive side up, to prevent circuit damage. Carefully snap or glue the key fob back together. Ensure a secure closure by aligning the halves properly and pressing firmly until you hear a click. Test the fob's functionality by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The car should respond with locking or unlocking sounds or lights. If it doesn't work, try resyncing the fob by turning the ignition on and off within 10 seconds of inserting the key. Consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. If the key fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. Corrosion can prevent proper electrical connection and cause the fob to malfunction. To clean the contacts, use isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth or cotton swab. Gently wipe away any buildup, being careful not to damage the circuit board. Always double-check battery orientation before inserting. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, should face up. Use only fresh CR2032 batteries to ensure reliable performance. DIY battery replacement saves you $50 to $100 compared to dealership service, which typically costs $50 to $100. With basic tools and following the steps in this guide, the process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. While most DIY attempts are successful, with a success rate of 85 to 95% according to repair studies, consider professional help if you're uncomfortable with the process or encounter any issues during replacement. Remember to dispose of used batteries responsibly to minimize environmental impact. Many auto parts stores and recycling centers accept CR2032 batteries for proper recycling. In conclusion, replacing your VW Golf key fob battery is a simple maintenance task that can be done at home with confidence. Following these steps ensures your remote functions properly and saves you both time and money.